In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use search message by date on WhatsApp using your iPhone. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to open your WhatsApp account. Once you're there, you simply search for the contact in which you want to use the search by message date. So let's say this one. After which you simply click on what? On your profile. That's the person's profile. So after that, you click on search. So once you're there, you are going to see the calendar search icon down here that is on the chat bar. So you click on it. After which you simply need to insert the date. Okay, let's see, 2023. So after which you click on what? Jump to date. So guys, these are the various messages which you actually send on this particular date, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.